Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Christine from Women's Devotionals. I hope you're having an awesome time during your writing. And so we have a great topic today. So let's get started and get into the class. So, topic for today is, how long should my devotional be? Great question. Let's get the answer to this today. It is totally up to you as to how long your ebook or devotional should be. It's totally up to you. You may have more to say in one or more chapters than you do in others. So just focus on getting your message out. That is key. Stay focused. If you have more to say in one chapter than you do in another, take your time. Get that done because you want your target audience to be served. You're writing to give them value. So it's totally up to you. Remember that you have other books and more ideas that will emerge just from your current writings. I always say there's at least 20 books in us, or maybe even 10. But make sure your journal or whatever device you are capturing your topic from is close by. Put those gems to work. Organization is key. Have your space, have your time. It's up to you to decide how much you want to write for the day. Have a goal. Set goals on how long you want it to be and how much time you're going to work on it. Expect new ideas to suddenly show up as you focus on your book. Remember, keep your journal close. Jot down those other titles and ideas that will start flowing through you. Visualize it being finished and being read by your target audience. If you haven't gotten the book, Declarations for Writers, to keep you motivated, link will be in my store. So the link to my store for the book is in the description. I want to say God bless and keep writing. This is the cover. This is the book that I'm talking about. Make sure you get your copy. If you like what you're hearing, if this channel is adding any value to you, if it resonates with you, subscribe. I will be glad to see your name in my inbox. So, remember to click the bell so you won't miss next week's video. Comment what you want to see next because you matter. So like, comment, share. When you subscribe, hit that bell. Don't miss anything. All right, so see you next week. If you have any questions, comment below what you want to see. Comment below if you have a question. If it resonates, hit the bell, subscribe. This is Christine from Women's Devotionals. I want you to have an excellent day. Take care of yourself now. Bye-bye.